Hey there. Ever load up your dishwasher, shut the door, hear that hum, and just wonder, what is actually going on in there? Well, today we're going to pull back the curtain on that sloshing box in your kitchen. Because you might think of it as just an appliance, but trust me, it's so much more than that.
It really does feel a bit like magic, doesn't it? You put in dirty dishes and they come out sparkling clean. But as our source material says, it's not magic, it's just really, really clever engineering. Honestly, the best way to think about your dishwasher is as a highly specialized robot that just happens to live in your kitchen.
And just like any good robot, it is programmed for one single, complex mission to perfectly automate a whole series of steps using hydraulics, intense heat, and a little bit of chemistry. So, come on, let's follow a single dirty plate on its journey through this machine. Okay, let's dive right in. We're going to break down the entire wash cycle, from the second you hit that start button to the moment you open the door to that steamy, clean dish goodness. You'll see it's way more precise than you probably imagine. So pretty much every dishwasher out there, no matter what brand it is, follows these 5 basic stages. First, it brings in water and heats it up. Then it releases the detergent. After that comes the main event, the washing. Then it drains all the gunk and rinses everything off. And finally, it dries. Let's look at each one. All right, let's bust a huge myth right away. Your dishwasher does not fill up with water like a bathtub. Not even close. Instead, it only lets in a small amount, just enough to fill a little basin at the very bottom. This is the first secret to how incredibly efficient these things are. Once that small pool of water is in the basin, a really powerful heating element kicks on. It jacks the temperature way up to somewhere between 130 and 155 degrees Fahrenheit. That is much, much hotter than what usually comes out of your top, and it is absolutely essential for melting grease and, as we're about to see, getting the detergent to do its job. Okay, so the water's super hot. Now, a timer or a little sensor tells the detergent dispenser to pop open. The soap falls in and mixes with that crazy hot water, creating this really potent cleaning solution. And hey, here's a quick pro tip from the source. Whatever you do not use regular dish soap in here, unless, you've always wanted to fill your kitchen with a mountain of suds. And here we go. This is the action sequence. A big circulation pump fires up and it forces that hot soapy water up into the spray arms. The source material uses a perfect analogy for this. Think of a lawn sprinkler. It's the sheer force of the water blasting out of these little angled jets that makes the arms spin like crazy, making sure that water hits every single dish from every possible angle. So once the main scrubbing is done, a different pump, the drain pump, gets rid of all that gross, dirty water. Then, the machine does it all over again, bringing in a new batch of fresh water, heating it up, and giving everything a good rinse, maybe even a couple of times. This, by the way, is where Rinse Aid is your best friend. It helps the water just slide right off the dishes, which is the secret to avoiding those annoying water spots. And now for the grand finale, drying. That very same heating element that heated up all the water now starts to heat up the air inside the dishwasher. This causes all the leftover water droplets to just evaporate right off your dishes. Of course, a lot of people, myself included, like to skip this part to save some energy. You can just crack the door open and let good old-fashioned air do the work. So we've seen the 5-act play, but who are the actors? Let's meet the core engineering team, the parts inside the machine that make all this magic happen. You've got your whole crew in here. There's the inlet valve that lets the water in, the heating element we talked about, a filtration system to catch all the food bits, and of course the spray arms doing all the hard work. But the real boss, the one running the whole show, is the control mechanism. That is the brain that times every single step down to the second. And if the control board is the brain, then the circulation pump is without a doubt the heart. This is the part that creates all of that intense water pressure. Without a strong pump, you just have those spray arms kind of gently misting your dishes. The pump is what provides the raw power for a truly forceful, effective clean. But, modern dishwashers aren't just a bunch of dumb mechanical parts. They're actually pretty smart. And if you understand how they think, you can get way better results. See, modern dishwashers have sensors. Many of them have soil sensors that can literally see how dirty the water is, and they'll adjust the cycle time and intensity to match. They have temperature sensors to make sure things don't overheat, and a really simple but brilliant little float switch that acts as a fail-safe to make sure it never, ever overflows. And all this smart technology brings us to probably the single biggest tip for getting the most out of your machine. Are you ready? Stop pre-rinsing your dishes. Seriously, just scrape the big chunks into the trash. Why? Well, modern detergents are packed with enzymes that are designed to latch onto and break down food. If your plates are already too clean, the soap literally has nothing to grab onto, and it just doesn't work as well. Now, here's a number that might just blow your mind. A modern Energy Star certified dishwasher can use less than 4 gallons of water to clean an entire load. Think about that for a second. If you were to wash that same massive pile of dishes by hand, you could easily use 20 gallons of water, or even more. So using your dishwasher isn't just about convenience, it's dramatically more efficient. So when you put all of these pieces together, the precise timing of the stages, the powerful components, the smart sensors, you start to realize what you're really looking at. This isn't just a kitchen convenience, it is a legitimately sophisticated piece of engineering. I think this quote from our source material really just nails it. The next time you load up your dishwasher, just take a second to remember what's about to happen inside. It is a precisely timed robot, a true marvel of everyday engineering that's working its tail off to save you time, water, and energy. So hopefully you have a whole new appreciation for that kitchen workhorse. And it gets us wondering, what other everyday gadgets and appliances are you curious about? Let us know in the comments what you want us to break down next. Thanks for joining me on this one.